I paid $1,300 for this DJI FPV drone, and our Black Friday special is $999, and I'm kind of mad about it. We have all the best Black Friday deals, not the fake ones. These are ones that are actually stuff that we love and recommend. We are going to give you all the links to them right here.
I want to start with our stuff because all of our video training and presets are 66% off.
Wow.
That includes our flash training guide. So if you're looking for a way to improve your photos, you can do it by learning how to control your flash. And all of our training comes on an SD card. If you want to buy a physical copy, it makes a great gift, and then you can reuse it in your camera. Isn't that smart? It's like recycling. We also have the art and science of photography, where we go over artistic parts of photos, the more scientific approach. Tony gets a little nerdy, I get a little artsy. That's a fun one.
And then the professional portrait training series, for those of you who actually want to make money with your photography. We go over things like the business side of it, as well as taking pictures. All the contracts are provided for you, lots of marketing templates, etc.
This one's exciting to me because our friend Sam Shannon was in sales for years, and now she's a professional photographer, and she trains you on this video series how to sell your prints and make more money for your business.
Not a lot of camera stuff on sale, but I found good sales on Sony lenses and bodies. My favorite was that the Sony a7 III is on sale for $1,798. It's normally about 2,000 bucks. It's still a great camera. That's a really good deal.
I'm really excited about KEH cameras because they have used gear, which means anything you find on there is actually in stock and it's going to ship to you, and it's 10% off. You can go to sdp.io/bfkeh. They have a 180-day warranty.
Wait, they extended it to 365 days just for this special.
Oh, wow.
And the coupon code is Northrop10. That's 10% off.
Canon has some decent deals at this link. I think my favorite is the Canon RP for $1,200 with a decent kit lens. This is a great multi-purpose vlogging and still photo setup. I also found some great Nikon deals. Check out the Nikon Z6 for only $1,600. That's full frame 24 megapixels with 4K video. If you want to get into editing your photos or videos, Adobe is now having a Black Friday deal at sdp.io/Adobe deal for up to 40% off the Creative Cloud program.
Tony, speaking of things that will definitely be in stock because we have a lot of them here at our house, we have a brand new Lightroom training book that you made this year. This is brand new. We haven't even plugged it yet.
And with video training.
This is 30% off. All of our books are 30% off, and we're going to sign them. We also have a Lightroom Classic CC book, and we have a Photoshop book, and we have a buying guide for all of you that write us and say, which camera should I get? Which tripod should I get? Which flash should I get? We have it all in here, and it's 30% off. And then of course we have our best-selling photography book, and this is also 30% off. And I should mention, most of these books come with never before seen video training. So you get the book, you get 20 hours of video, you can get the hard copy, you can get an ebook. It's a good deal.
They make excellent gifts for your friends, and they'll all be autographed during the holiday season. That's Chelsea's least favorite thing, but we'll be autographing every book.
Gonna give me carpal tunnel, but I love it.
This is boring but good. I found 256 gig SD cards for $60. That means you can never again run out of SD card space. Just buy extra ones, stash them everywhere. They will save your butt. I also found the Fujifilm X-T4 for $200 off. It's one of my favorite cameras to use. If you want like the fun experience of photography, the X-T4 is absolutely the camera to get, and that's the best price I've ever seen.
If you want to look fly as hell, check out this hat I made for Tony, because he got tired of people asking him about sports teams that he doesn't actually watch. I put a little aperture on this hat. It's an all cotton hat. You can see it has the metal clasp in the back. It's cotton, it's timeless, it's classy, and it's 20% off?
20% off.
20% off! This is actually the one item we're waiting on it to ship to us.
Oh, it's back ordered, but it'll ship soon.
We're going to pick it up in person though. It's from a small company that's only 20 minutes away from us. All of this is done by hand there. And then they also make our masks for us if you want to have the matching pair.
Everything we do is small business. Like when you order this, I will go to the garage and get a box of them, and we'll sign it and then ship it out through our mailman.
Where's our t-shirts?
They're not here. They're upstairs.
Oh.
B-roll time.
B-roll time.
Okay, Sigma lenses, and then I was going to mention Google and Pro Media.
I'm going to be selling Tony's glasses.
I won't be able to see, Chelsea. I found a great sale on Sigma lenses. If you're looking for good high quality third-party lenses. They're up to 40% off. I also found a lot of Google Nest stuff on sale, and that's not photography related, but I've been putting in a lot of these cool security cameras lately because thefts are kind of on the rise. So I love these new Google Nest floodlights because you can just replace your existing floodlights and they wire right in and connect your wireless network. And they honestly just work great. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm just recommending them because they're fantastic.
I'm recommending them because we no longer have wires hanging from our house since they're hardwired in.
Yes.
So they look good, they work well, and the light is a really nice directional light.
One last thing.
Another pair of your glasses.
One last thing, I found 15% off everything from Pro Media Gear. They make really good high quality tripods and stuff, and I've been using one of their big huge tripods for my telephoto wildlife lenses, and I just wanted to give you that coupon code. So
I think that's it. Check out all of the links in the description down below. Please consider supporting us. We have all of our books printed here. They're a good deal. They come with a ton of video, and yeah, check out the other stuff too. Thanks so much.
Happy holidays.